In the current textile industry, there is a critical challenge ensuring transparency, sustainability, and efficiency across the entire supply chain, spanning from wool farms to fabric production. The absence of real time data, coordination, and visibility makes the whole process too difficult for everyone who are involved in the entire supply chain. The problem starts from very beginning when farmers gather wool from their animals. Now farmers requires immediate funds for taking good care of their animals for future wool and also for their ongoing expenses. But selling a little bit of wool is not easy because there are not many buyers who are interested in it. And also, they can't find good warehouses that provide fair market prices for their wool. These challenges arise because farmers cannot hold on to their wool until market prices rise. At this time, middleman comes as a problem solver by purchasing wool from farmers at lower prices, collect lot of it from many farmers and store it in their warehouses till the market value of rises, and they making a profit that was initially they taken from the farmers. That means farmers lose money because they have to sell their wool for less than it worth. Warehouses also have a tough time. They have to sell their stock fast and sometimes they have no other option but to sell to middlemen for less money because they can't find machinery that will make good products and pay them the right price based on the actual market value. That means margin squeezes. Middlemen earn money by selling wool to textile makers at higher prices. This means less money for warehouses and farmers. Firstly, one middleman purchases wool from farmer at some margin value, then other middleman purchase raw materials from warehouses at some margin value, and this makes whole process too lack of efficiency, and this leads to actual market value of fabric increases in the market, leading to huge losses in the textile industry. When materials come in small amount for checking in warehouses, it costs more to test them and it takes longer. This eventually makes material more expensive. And also poor tracking and local delivery services make it hard to know where materials are and what they are worth for. Farmer and warehouses are not well informed about what's happening in the industry right now. They don't know about the latest trends, news, or the best buyers for their products. This causes them to make less than ideal decisions and could result in losses. Farmers lack access to modern farming practices and technologies. They are unaware of disease detection methods and tools that could enhance animals' health and wool production. Our idea that addresses a pressing concern in our textile industry, a concern that affects not only the livelihood of our hardworking farmers but also the efficiency of the entire supply chain. Imagine a world where every step in the journey from wool farm to fabric is optimized, where farmers are empowered with real time insights, where warehouses can efficiently manage their materials, and where retailers can secure materials at their desired rates. This is the world we aim to create, a solution that not only fixes issue but also makes the wool to fabric supply chain works better and fair for everyone who are involved in the entire supply chain. Eliminating middlemen ensure that seller receive the full value for their products. Addressing the margin squeeze issue, connect seller and buyer directly, removing middlemen, ensuring seller receives the full margin value for their products effectively. Solve the margin squeeze problem. Sellers get to keep all the money they deserve for their products, which help resolve the problem of losing money due to middlemen. Also, our we have application is that dynamic user registration. That means flexible registration. User can easily select their field such as farmer, warehouse owner, machinery vendor, retailer, or trainer during registration. It's a simple way to get started and it guarantees that our application will serve your specific needs. By allowing users to choose their field, the application provides customized solution whether you log in as a farmer, a warehouse's owner, or a machinery vendor or a retailer. We have customized the features and information to address the unique challenges that you faces in the textile industry.
That means the registration process is user friendly with a simple field selection. This makes it easy for user to get started quickly. We also provide Google Maps integration. Warehouses can efficiently locate the best wool and research organization nearby. This integration improves material testing efficiency, ensuring quality control. Users can rely on Google Maps for accurate and up-to-date location information. This is because they know from where they get their material, because they get it from their nearby companies. We also provide real-time market insights. They get real-time data updates on market trends and material values, make informed decisions for better profits, and also users for optimal selling decisions. We also provide a rating system for build trust between users and company through transparency. Users can make informed choices based on ratings and reviews. And also this encourages company to maintain high quality services to receive positive ratings. We have done a lot of work to connect seller and buyers, provide real time market insights, and more. But what's the most crucial thing in all of this? It's shipping. Because if we can't successfully ship materials and products to their buyers, everything else we have done become pointless. So, we have put a strong shipping and tracking system in place. This system ensures that the things people buy are delivered safely and on time. Plus, it gives everyone confidence that their shipments won't be tampered with or have their prices changed along the way. In simple terms, good shipping, real time tracking hold the whole process together, making sure everything we have done so far is worth it. Ensure the safe and unaltered delivery of materials and products. We also provide trading bidding system. In them, retailers have the ability to make offers to sellers, indicating the price at which they want to purchase materials or products. Sellers can review all offers and choose the one that aligns with their profit margin or market values preference. These features ensure that sellers receive a fair and profitable price for their goods while allowing retailers to secure materials and their desired rates. We also provide education system. Our application features a comprehensive education system that caters to both farmers and other users. Farmers gain access to vital information concerning animals' health, disease prevention, and cutting edge farming techniques, all of which contribute to enhancing their wool and material production. Users across the world can stay informed about product rates in their textile industry, emerging market trends, and the latest technologies. Our application also provides a platform for training sessions facilitated by expert trainers, enabling farmers to expand their knowledge base and in turn increase their product yields. In our application, we utilize HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, and jQuery Ajax for creating the web-based user interface, while Flutter is used for developing the mobile user interface. PHP and Laravel are employed for server-side logic and handling web requests, and MySQL serves as the database management system for storing and retrieving data. Use cases of our application is we provide real-time market information. In this, provide users with up-to-date data on wool market conditions, prices, trends and news. Empower stakeholders to make informed decisions regarding wool-related activities, including buying, selling and investment. Wool production. We also provide wool production and transport tracking. In this enables user to monitor the entire journey of their wool from its origin on the farm to its destination in the retail market. Enhance transparency and traceability in the wool supply chain. We also provide supply chain management. In this facilitate the creation of a streamlined wool supply chain that reduce reliance on middlemen, empower farmers and other industry players to connect directly with buyers and sellers, eliminating unnecessary intermediary. We also provide training and skill development, offer training and educational resources to users, helping them enhance their skills and knowledge in wool farming, support users in improving their practice and increasing productivity, ultimately contributing to the growth of the wool industry. And Beneficial feature of our application is cross-industry adaptability. That means our application's flexibility allow for easy adaptation to other industries such as the tea and fishing industries. With just a few changes, we can adapt the app to fit the unique requirements of other industries. This means more people can use it and it can make a big difference in those industries too. Our dependencies like we depend on OTP APIs like ClickSend, Text Local for this functionality. In the event of any issue, we have implemented two OTP APIs. If both APIs cease to function simultaneously, the OTP validation process will be might interrupted. We also provide News API. If the News API faces any issue or downtime, we won't be able to provide news update to our users. Google Maps API experience any downline users may not be able to access information about nearby buyers or sellers during that period. For shipping, we use ClickPost, ShipEngine and ShipRocket API to track the status of raw materials and fabric used in shipping. If all three APIs experience downtime simultaneously, our ability to provide efficient shipping services may be temporarily affected. For payment services, we rely on Razorpay and PayU. In the event of that both of these API experience downtime, our payment related services may be temporarily unavailable.